Ever opened your Outlook inbox and felt completely overwhelmed by thousands of unread emails? Don't worry. Today, you'll learn exactly how to delete all your emails in Outlook, also known as Hotmail, in just a few quick steps. Whether you're clearing up space or starting fresh, this method is simple, fast, and works perfectly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Outlook login page. That's the Microsoft 365 Outlook website. Once you're there, click on Sign In and log in using your Outlook or Hotmail email credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Outlook homepage where all your folders and emails are located. Now, click on your inbox from the left sidebar. This is where all your emails live. To delete everything at once, look at the very top of your inbox. You'll see a checkbox above your emails. Click that box to select all the messages currently visible. If you have a large number of emails that span multiple pages, Outlook will usually show a small option asking if you'd like to select all emails in your inbox, not just the ones on the first page. Click that option to make sure everything is included. Once all your emails are selected, click the trash can icon or delete button at the top. You'll be asked to confirm. Just double check that you don't need any of these messages before continuing. After confirming, all selected emails will move to your deleted items folder. But here's the key part. Those emails aren't permanently gone yet. To completely erase them and free up space, go to your deleted items folder, select all messages again, and click delete one more time. This permanently removes them from your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all emails in your Outlook inbox. It's quick, efficient, and a great way to keep your mailbox clean and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like and share it with someone who needs a digital cleanup too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.